Welcome to Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Rapyd Fintech as a Service. Rapyd Fintech as a Service offers payment processing and financial technology solutions for businesses. It aims to simplify cross-border payments and provide a comprehensive suite of financial services for businesses of all sizes, particularly those operating internationally. Key features likely include payment gateway integration, multi-currency support, and fraud prevention tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Rapyd positions itself as a streamlined solution, aiming for ease of use and potentially offering competitive pricing. Their website highlights the efficiency of their technology and claims to provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They emphasize their global reach and broad range of payment methods. Availability is dependent on geographical location and business type. Their website offers a way to check eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Rapyd Fintech as a Service. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to integrate it with my existing e-commerce platform within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics like transaction volume and revenue. I particularly appreciated the real-time transaction tracking feature. It gave me peace of mind knowing exactly where each payment was in the process. The processing speed was excellent, payments were generally settled quickly, and I experienced very few delays. I had a quick question about setting up recurring billing, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. Their response was helpful and thorough. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the multi-currency support, making international transactions seamless. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited reporting customization options, but it wasn't a significant issue for my needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Rapyd Fintech as a Service. It significantly simplified my payment processing, and the support was excellent. That's my overview of Rapyd Fintech as a Service. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.